How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add text to a model in Meshmixer. So I have a model on Meshmixer. It's going to be this one. And let's say that we want to add a text onto the top layer of our model right here. Now it's going to be extremely easy. You just want to click on Meshmix button, click on this drop down menu, and then you want to navigate through letters. Now it's not like on traditional slicers where you could simply type your text and from there you're good to go. In here, to actually start, you want to drag and drop your letter onto your model, and there's going to be multiple buttons in order for you to edit your letter. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to first decrease your size first. So you could use this button in order to do that easily. And then let's rotate our letter from here. And then it's as easy as, once again, dragging and dropping it onto our model. And then you have some additional options that you can add it right here. But for now, let's just click on accept. Right after, you could just repeat the same thing, which is by heading over to Meshmixer. And for now, let's do something like letter U. Once again, you could edit this by using these buttons in order to make it easier. And now let's rotate it right here. So you could just repeat this until you have completed your word. And so that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.